If you are experiencing the fail to connect to the game issue or error code 279 on Roblox, here is how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet is the most common cause of this issue. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better, or restart your router to refresh the connection. Next, clear the Roblox app cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, find Roblox in the list. Tap on it. Go to storage and then clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing connection errors. Ensure that your Roblox app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox and check if there is an update available. If so, install it to fix any known bugs or compatibility issues. Restart your Android device. Sometimes minor system glitches can interfere with app performance, and a simple reboot can resolve them. If the problem persists, check for app permissions. Go to your phone settings, locate Roblox under apps and app management, and ensure that all necessary permissions such as storage and network are enabled. You should also verify the game server status. If Roblox servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Visit the official Roblox server status page or social media accounts for updates. Finally, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. This ensures a clean installation of the app and eliminates any corrupted files. Re-log into your account and check if the error is resolved. By following these steps, you can fix the connection error and enjoy uninterrupted gaming on Roblox. If this tutorial helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and fixes.